Monday morning again. So this morning, getting all the bits for the front press out the spray booth. Because I need the spray booth and we've got to get this built up. So we'll get this out here, build the spray booth, build the front press. So George is doing a John Deere sprayer, front tank mount. Paddy's back on with his drip tape machine. Mike's doing, I think, a fleece roller, but we'll have a look at that in a bit. Right, let's get tidied up. So we've put a few more bits on the press, headstock all on, roller in yesterday, and then all your levelling boards, bar for the scrapers. So all that to put on today. Just putting in the wires for the lights and the camera cables. So they'll all be nice and neat and tidy. All at the front, so put a junction box in now. And start getting the legs in. Won't be long before it's ready. So the sprayer's just waiting on hydraulic ram in there for the applicator. Then that'll be coming back in, finished off, took off, painted. So all this will be tidied up and looking smart. So that's why this is back out here. Drip tape machines are then soon going to be going. So they're the little bits that we've got to finish off so they can go. This one and this one. Put all the units back on. Get a bit more of a yard again. So Mark and Paddy had just nipped out to do a job at a local farm. So that's what Mark was working on. Fleece roller, something like that. So still got some more bits to cut out. Paddy's drip tape machine. So he's just doing some legs and bits that I've got to paint shortly. I've got to paint all these bits for the older machines that's outside that are ready to go. All the units. We're just trying to get the frame done, and all the side shift units. New plates all cut for them. Couple of beams for a builder. So it's got all the light wires in, junction box all in, all wired up. Just got to wait for the frame for the lights so they can put them on. So I'm just starting to put the brackets on for the scrapers, for the packer roller. So wiring's all nice and neat and tidy. Obviously the camera wires ridiculously long, but that's all we got. So we'll hide that. So we've just got to put the scraper brackets on. I'll put the scrapers on in a bit later. Next door we've got all the levelling board tines to go on this bar here with the adjustment. And it'll soon be about done. Right, let's crack on with the scraper brackets. So I've just got a few bits in the spray booth this morning that need doing. These are the drip tape bits Paddy's waiting on. Mark's just finished this up. So we'll get a coat of paint on that, and then that's got to go down to a builder. All these legs and dog bone clips are going to go on the drip tape machine. So these two racks are going to be yellow, and then this beam and these bits are going to be grey. So get on with that now, before we've got to go out this afternoon. So that's just delivered some side boxes and crawler boxes to Peacock Binnington over in Brig. I got some kit here. Yeah, so it's sorted out, back to the yard. On with the next job. So hopefully you'll be able to get your stuff, side boxes and everything we do, through these boys as well. So if there's a side box you want to have a look at, they're going to be on their demo tractors this year. Call in and have a look. So these are all the bits that I got painted yesterday before I went out. Legs for Paddy's drip tape machine, they're all done, so they're ready for him today. Beam for the builders. More drip tape bits. Right, so we'll get the front press finished off today, or as far as we could get. So that's pretty much got the front press done. Just waiting for the scrapers to go on there. We'll cut them out tomorrow. Got the lights to wire up in the morning, this end, and then to put the nameplate on. So we've got all the tines in. The levelling boards are all in. So it's adjusted it. Had a quick blow down. So I'll put them Deutz plugs in the back of the lights tomorrow. Tidy up the cable. Then be ready to go. Does look nice, this colour combination. Dwarf red, dwarf grey. Be nice seeing in action. So Paddy's been putting this one back together. So there's the bits I painted yesterday. New legs, So this is going back to a customer. Just wanted some different hoods putting on. So they're the different hoods he did the other week. So we've now finally got it all put back together. And the bits that George was turning yesterday, they're in there. Them nylon spacers. So tomorrow, once I get the lights done on the front press and all wired up, tidied up, that'll be done. Ready for paint. So that's for the John Deere sprayer. So we'll get them painted up tomorrow. John Deere colours. Then next week, that's going to be painted. So that'll be painted in our colours once the other bits are finished off for it. So obviously Paddy's still got his other new drip tape machine to finish. All the bits are down here for that. But that's in no rush yet. So this one had to be done. Busy still. Lots more steel coming again today. Another beam for a house. Went and fitted the one this morning. Right, let's get locked up. See you tomorrow. So front press is virtually done. And all out outside. We needed the room to get stuff in the spray booth. So on the front press, lights are all wired up, everything's wired up, just waiting for the scrapers for the roller. So they've just been cut out. So we've got Hardock scrapers. So we're just getting them a coat of paint, just so it matches the rest of the front press. And then we got the sprayer applicator frame. So we're going to do the Ram John Deere yellow, and then all the other attachments is going to be green. So get this done today, so be dried off, ready to fit on Monday. Right, let's go make some paint. Let's get this done. So press is all done. Just took it outside to see out the workshop. It started raining, so looks fairly good though. So scrapers to put on start next week. We've got another bracket to go on here, so that can be tied up so it don't move. Yeah, so camera cables are all tucked in there until the tractor gets here. Nice steering headstock. Should be good. Paddy's still on with his drip tape machine. He's just gone to put some hydraulic rams on a bed former outside. They want hydraulic hoods on it, so Paddy's sorting the rams out and the pipe work. Then he'll be back on this next week. Mike's just getting the tape machine finished off. We've got to paint next week. So that goes with all this. Don't know how it goes yet, but we'll see more of that next week. So there's my scrapers for the press. We'll give them a coat of black paint on Monday, probably first thing Monday, and then that'll be good to go. So I think it's going to be picked up sometime next week. I'll just switch the heater off in here. So that's all the John Deere bits painted for the sprayer. And the hydraulic ram. So that'll stay in here over the weekend. Drying off, hardening off. And I think we'll fit these Monday morning. Put the tank on. Right, that'll do for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you next week.